Good morning. Thank you for calling Zanya Shoes Customer Service. My name is Jisami. How may I assist you today? I'm very sorry to hear that, and I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience. I'll be happy to help you to resolve this issue. May I have your full name and order number, please? Thank you, Mr. Santos. Please give me a moment while I verify your order details. Thank you for waiting. I have checked your order and I confirmed that you ordered size 8. Unfortunately, the wrong size was sent to you. We sincerely apologize for the mistake. Absolutely. I have already processed your replacement request for size 8. We will send it through express delivery at no additional cost. Your replacement order will arrive within 2 business days. So you should receive it before Saturday. We will also email and text you tracking the number today. You're very welcome, Mr. Santos. Again, we apologize for the inconvenience. Thank you for choosing Zanya Shoes. Have a wonderful day. Good morning. Thank you for calling DLB Telecommunications. This is Jisami speaking. How may I help you today? Certainly, Mr. Santos. I'll be happy to assist you. May I know your location, please? Thank you. Let me check if our service is available in your area. Please hold for a moment. Thank you for waiting, Mr. Santos. I'm happy to inform you that our fiber internet service is available in your location. We have three plans. Plan 999 to up to 50 Mbps. Plan 1299 to up to 100 Mbps. Plan 1699 to up to 200 Mbps. Which plan would you like to apply for? Excellent choice! May I have your complete address and contact number so we can schedule your installation? Thank you, Mr. Santos. Your installation is scheduled for Wednesday between 9 a.m. and 12 p.m. Our technician will contact you before arriving. You're most welcome. Thank you for choosing DLB Telecommunications. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye and stay safe.